Welcome to my channel.
Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro with 1.64-inch AMOLED display, 110 Plus sports modes launched. Price, specifications. Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro launched globally on Tuesday along with a wide range of artificial Internet of Things, IoT, devices, including the Xiaomi TV Q2 series and Redmi Pad as well. This smartwatch was announced for China earlier this year and has finally launched globally. It features a 1.64-inch AMOLED touch display. The Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro includes over 110 sports modes and comes with built-in GPS for precise route tracking. Xiaomi claims that the battery of the Smart Band 7 Pro could provide up to 12 days of backup. Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro price, availability. The Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro can be purchased for a starting price of €99, roughly 8,000 rupees, via official company channels. Xiaomi offers light gold and graphite grey color options for the dial. There are also several color options for the strap, including black, blue, olive, pink, and more. It was launched in China earlier this year in July. Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro specifications. Features. This smartwatch sports a 1.64-inch AMOLED touchscreen with 500 nits of peak brightness. The Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro also comes with over 150 watch faces and an always-on display mode. It is equipped with an ambient light sensor for automatically adjusting the display's brightness. The Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro packs a 235 mAh battery that is said to provide up to 12 days of backup. It features a built-in global navigation satellite system, GNSS, for tracking your running course. This smartwatch comes with 10 preloading running courses with varying intensity. There are also over 110 sports modes. The smartwatch from Xiaomi has heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen, SpO2, tracking features. The Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro also comes with more health features, including sleep tracking, female health tracking, stress monitoring, and more. This smartwatch has 5 ATM water-resistant built. It is compatible with Android and iOS devices, and offers Bluetooth version 5.2 connectivity.